So we're gonna put this beef rub on there, let it sit overnight. Then tomorrow I'll let you know what's going on with it. All right, now we're gonna let that soak in overnight. See if it does what I want it to. I'll have a new flavor on the market by next week. It's set for a good 12 hours. Everything's good to go. All right, so I've been smoking this for about 2 hours so far. It's a shitty day. About every half hour or so, maybe 20 minutes if you want. Hit it with some apple cider vinegar. It's time to take it out and wrap it. It's at 170.
What is this? Clarissa explains it all, Dawson's Creek. What's next episode? Some have meant breakdown or something.
Alright, so it's got a nice dark on it, smoked for about a little over 7 hours. Spray a little vinegar on this butcher paper. Set it in the vinegar. You want to find the thickest spot of the brisket, put your meat thermometer in it until it's at the lowest possible temperature you can find in it, through the same hole. Alright, so some people put it in a towel. You can wrap it in a towel, put it in a cooler. I'm going to put it in a sweatshirt and set it in the oven. But you got to give it about 2 hours. Yeah. You want to find the thickest spot of the brisket, put your meat thermometer in it until it's at the lowest possible temperature you can find in it, through the same hole. Alright, so some people put it in a towel. You can wrap it in a towel, put it in a cooler. I'm going to put it in a sweatshirt and set it in the oven. But you got to give it about 2 hours. Yeah. I know, right? Been a long video. Trying to smoke ring. You don't know how to cut a brisket, I don't know how to tell you. Ooh, then we'll make some nice burnt ends. Oh, hold on. I know it's tender right. Oh. Hey y'all, look. Today was strictly to test the new beef rub on the brisket that takes all day. Mission accomplished. It's coming.